Hey Travel fam, what's up? It's me, Travelingtio. Welcome back to another episode. I just landed in Gatwick Airport, UK. Took the overnight flight from JFK, and now I'm in the train station waiting for my train. I'm heading to Bristol, staying there overnight, and then we're gonna go to Glastonbury tomorrow. So looking forward for that. Super excited. And I hope I can show you everything, and I hope you like it. So stay tuned.
Hello Travel fam, let me start by agreeing with all my new friends in the UK. Glastonbury is the greatest festival in this world. It was amazing in all extremes. If you want me to give you the why, ask me in the comments. But I also have some bad news, and it's that I owe you the Glastonbury episode. Travel fam, I was living every second of it. So I will make content on my next Glastonbury festival because I already missed that magic. But if you want to see a little glimpse of it, check out my Instagram and TikTok. I posted a few things already, but I have a few more things coming. Also, I did not have time to check out Bristol besides this little walk near my hotel that you're seeing. But the good news though is that I will be there in a few months. So get ready, Bristol. I did visit other cities a little further north though in this trip. So you will see some episode of that. So make sure to subscribe to stay tuned. Which cities do you think I visited? Drop in the answers in the comments.
Hey Travel fam, what's up? It's me, Travelingtio. We are currently in the city of Douglas in the Isle of Man, part of the UK. It's a little island between Ireland and the UK. We just got here and it's a little cloudy, overcast, not raining, thank God. So we are gonna check it out, do some driving around the island, walking as well, and see what we can find. So stay tuned.
This is a very interesting place. The Isle of Man is not really part of the UK, but it's a British Crown dependency, which means they have their own government and legal system. This beautiful island is located in the Irish Sea, between the UK and Ireland. The island is coincidentally approx 31 miles from both England and Ireland, and just with a population around of 83,000 inhabitants. And for what I noticed, more leaning towards the older Gap. Tamewell is the Isle of Man Parliament, which is believed to have been established in 979 AD, considered the oldest continuous parliament in the world, dating back to the Viking era, according to the Isle of Man government. The Isle of Man is the first nation to be recognized as a UNESCO biosphere, highlighting its commitment to preserving its natural environment. The city of Douglas was granted city status on March 20, 2024 by Queen Camilla. The city is the capital and largest town in the island. It is a city with a rich history and unique characteristics. It is situated on the east coast at the mouth of the river Douglas. And this is where you're seeing the stunning Douglas Broadwalk along the bay, which is perfect for a stroll, going for a run, and just walk around. And guess what? The Bee Gees band are from this island. The brothers Barry, Robin, and Maurice Gibb were born here, they grew up here, and they moved to Australia and became super famous. The statue was a gift from the city to the brothers. It was inspired by their hit Staying Alive. It was put there in 2021. And the statue, it's made out of bronze. One of the brothers, Barry Gibb, was also featured in their post office stamps, to celebrate his career and band connection to the island where they grew up. Pretty cool. The city is a major hub for commerce, finance, legal services, shipping, transport, shopping, entertainment, and obviously the government building is also here. And one note, everything closes early, so prepare for that. And make sure you use your parking desk. They use a parking desk system in the island for parking. Very interesting. Tourism is significant here. Visitors come here for the history, the heritage sites, the beauty of the island, and the peace. But seems like it's not at their peak anymore. Even they still attract a substantial number of visitors every year, with over 300,000 visitors in 2024, of a mix of leisure travel, business travel, and cruise passenger because this is a cruise stop. The TT race is held every June, and is probably the major draw in that same period of time. But the island also attracts visitors for the natural beauty, including beaches, hiking trails, and wildlife. There are museums showcasing the history of the island, also castles like the Peel Castles, and landmarks like the Niabo. The Isle of Man is a quick flight or boat ride from any major airport or seaport from the nearby cities from the UK and Ireland. You don't hear much about this island, but this island played a significant role in the World War I. A large percentage of soldiers came from this island, and out of those, they also had the highest number of casualties. Beyond this sacrifice, the war impacted the island's economy, society, and even its land. The Isle of Man housed camps for about 25,000 enemy combatants. Shortages of food and other necessities due to the Germans was tough. They had to implement rationing, which was introduced in 1917. The Irish Sea became a dangerous zone, with U-boats sinking other boats, including the famous HMS Bayano, right off the coast of the island. Despite all the hardships, the island retained its unique cultural traditions, like the ferry bridge, where people still go and greet the little people for good luck.
The city of Ramsey is a coastal town known for its large harbor and prominent pier. It is the second largest town of the island of Man, situated in the north of the island. It is the closest point of the island to England. Ramsey served as a crucial point of communication between the mainland, especially with Scotland, because it was a route for Vikings and Scots during the wars. It earned the nickname Royal Ramsey after a visit from the Queen Victoria, Prince Albert, King Edward VII, and Queen Alexandra. I can tell you it's a very friendly town. There's nice places like cafe, restaurants, little shops, pubs for adults, and some tourist sites like the Castle in Art, which is a Neolithic chamber tomb. They also have the Cramp Sumark, which is an Iron Age hill fort, very impressive, and the Cerro Garou, which is a 17th century fortress from the Civil War.
And this was Travel Fam. This is Port Erin. Super charming seaside village, as you can see, known for its beautiful beaches and all these scenic views and historical charm. Most of this was a popular Victorian seaside resort once, but today it offers a peaceful vibe with relaxing trail for walking or hiking, a good diving area, and just this stunning coastal views. They also have the Port Erin Railway Museum here, the Erin Art Center, but before all that, Port Erin was a small fishing village surviving from the sea. Well, Travel Fam, we have made it to the end of this episode. I really hope you enjoy the views and the cities. Fun fact about me, I like to drive in crazy roads. The crazier the better. So I did something while I was here and it was amazing. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Press that bell notification button so you can find out what did I do in the next episode. Make sure to leave your comments and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.